You ever clicked a funnel and feel like you just walked into a digital casino? Flashy promises, residual income, just $25 to start. And then this question hits you. Is this legit, or am I about to get played again? If you've asked about Home Business Academy or any other business, you're not alone. Today I'm not selling you anything. I'm documenting what I've seen. No hype, no fluff, no AI overlays. Just me, JJ Solly, your friendly neighborhood Solly man, breaking it down. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you've ever felt like you've been burned by affiliate hype. By the end of this video, you'll know whether HBA is a scam or a legit business model, how it compares to other platforms like ClickFunnels or Kartra, what real rebuilders are experiencing inside the system, and how residual income might finally give you the breathing room you need. Like this video if you're looking for clarity, not hype. Affiliate marketing is flooded with faceless funnels and scripted success stories, but what most people want is simple. A system that works, a community that supports, and a way to rebuild without burning out. That's what HBA claims to offer. But is it real, or is it just another rebranded upsell? Save this video if you're not ready to decide yet, but want the truth. This is my Home Business Academy a scam? Make money online review? Let's get into it. Now, what is HBA really? HBA is a three-product ecosystem: Funnel Builder, Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy, Financial Literacy Academy. The inside scoop on Home Business Academy's product line breaks down each product with timestamps, no fluff, only clarity. Home Business Academy Review Funnel Builder Magical shows how the funnel builder actually works, including templates, scheduling widgets, and parallax effects. I don't know what that is, but hey, I've heard it. The Home Business Academy Review 2024 HBA products gives a full walkthrough of the product stack and how it's positioned. Comment your biggest challenge with funnels. I'll reply with what worked or has worked for me. Now, let's talk red flags. Is there transparency? Are their earnings realistic? Is the support real? Is Home Business Academy a scam or the real deal? Now, it walks through the onboarding process and whether it passes. I'm walking through the onboard process and whether it passes the test. Is Home Business Academy the best online opportunity? Now, tag someone who's stuck in funnel fatigue. They need to see this. Now, here's what I've seen personally. Beginners launching in 24 hours. Rebuilders finally seeing traction. Skeptics converting after seeing the comp plan. Home Business Academy Review, Can You Earn Big With breaks down the earning potential, 80% commissions, residuals, and real math. Subscribe if you want to see my full rebuild journey, just facts. Now ask yourself, do I want to build funnels or do I want to build freedom? Because HBA isn't just a tool, it's a protocol. If you're ready to rebuild with trust, congruence, and residual income, I've got swipe vaults, comment engines, and mentor-grade support waiting. Now, share this video with someone who's rebuilding from scratch. Now, is Home Business Academy a scam? Can you make money without HBA? And is HBA legit in 2025? Yeah, it's built for beginners, rebuilders, and skeptics alike. Now, if you've been burned before, if you're tired of faceless funnels and scripted success stories, then maybe it's time to rebuild with something real. Because HBA isn't just different, it's congruent. And congruence compounds. Now, I'm going to show you a few things. Now, first of all, this is pretty cool. This is one of the done-for-you funnels that comes with HBA Funnel Builder, the $25 system, right? You can click here to watch. Obviously, it's not going to say any. My recorder doesn't record system sounds, but you can see about what it is. And there's a second video. and a third video, and a fourth video, and even a fifth video. Would you like to clone something like this? Because I'll show you in the affiliate zone, you can go for funnel builder training, right? Boom, look at all these training videos, okay? Also, I was telling you about the done for you funnels, right? So there's 5 done for you funnels, okay? Here's the 3K per month. So you had to set up your domain name, how to set up your autoresponder. Okay, and they also come with banners. And you can do questions quick here, or you can go to the AI and type a, just if you want to type something, just hit live agent, etc. Pretty cool, right? Another thing that's really cool is I'm actually using the funnel builder. So I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you something real live and in color, if you will. So I'm going to go to Simple Freedom Warriors Review 2025. Now, you see this guy? I'm going to change this video and I'm going to change this title. Real quick. Drag and drop. Okay? I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to go to a video. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to paste right over here. Sorry. Right over here. Pretty cool, right? Now, we need the video to change, right? So, I'm going to share. Copy link. And I'm going to change the video. See here where it says edit video button? Paste. Now watch this. Boom! That quick. It's been changed. So, that's how simple this is. And they teach you how to do everything inside the training area. Like I showed you, it has a ton of videos. Okay? But look how many videos I've actually made. I'm making funnels out of each video and then send it to my list. Pretty cool. Building know, like, and trust. So if you click on this one right here, no, I'm going to discard. I'm not going to save the changes. And look, here's a video funnel. So yes, get access. Something like that. But this is actually the funnel builder page. It's not the actual page. So anyways, pretty cool. And like I showed you, I have a ton of funnels. Okay, so I'm actually using this, and I used to use it for months and months without paying for, without promoting the system. Okay, I'm going to show you something even more cool. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you the bonuses. I'm going to tell you about the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you join with me. Okay, if you pay and get started with the $25 system, I'm going to show you what happens. Okay, so now I want to show you some ranking things. This is part of our bonuses because this is the training you'll get. I'm going to go ahead and pay for you to get in Simple Freedom Warriors, which will build any online business, whether it's this one or any other online business, and build a clone army of people. Not only we're going to train you with done for you videos and live training, but also you can plug anybody into this system and get them started, right? And earn up to $1,500 instantly, okay, if somebody goes all in. And that's at the $7 level, which I will pay for if you join HBA with me. Okay, pretty cool, right? That training is gold. Okay, and at the $7 level, what other program you gonna earn up to $1,500 with? Okay, you just get people, especially into the live webinar on Saturdays, and they'll do the selling and telling for you. And they even have done for you posts, and they teach you the simple steps you need to get daily traffic, leads, and sales, and build any online business and dominate YouTube. And I'm going to show you the dominate YouTube. And again, I'll pay for this if you join Simple Freedom Wars. I'm sorry, if you join Home Business Academy HBA with me. Okay, so I'm going to show you how awesome this is. You see how I'm not signed in? and it's fully loaded. Okay, the number one video, this is a sponsored video, the number one video, this guy joined not even a week ago, I don't think. He's already the number one 12 days ago, number one video overall. Okay, this is a team member. I'm only going to show the team members. Also, look at the top creator. Make money on with JJ. Hey, that's me. And you got my picture right here. And the number 3 creator is Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. So, you remember how I showed you this is an ad, sponsored. So the number one video, and this is another ad. And then there's a Make Money On with JJ video by me, okay? And there's another video by me. And then there's another video by me. And there's another video by my Andrew Guthrie. Sorry if I just butchered your name, bro. And Postcard Lifestyle. And Andrew Guthrie. Wait! Don't we have about 80% of the videos here so far? Here's another video by Ari Ortiz, another team member. And here's another video by Make Money with JJ. Hey, that's me. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money with JJ. So we're dominating YouTube. This is just one example. I try to do a different video term every day. So watch another video and you'll see more examples of us dominating YouTube. But I'm going to show you a very cool thing that how I dominated Google. Okay? So I'm going to go right here. Sorry. Give me a minute. Of course, it's not working when I need it to. Okay, so Home Business Academy, Google, right? Not logged in. DFY marketing system. Guess who's the number one video? And I was the number one video before my video even premiered. Before it was even live, it was the number one video. And guess what? 4 days later, it's the number one video. And I'm going to show you again. And I'm going to go to on YouTube, okay? You see I'm not signed in. And by the way, I got the number 3 post too with a Instagram. This is the type of things we're going to teach you what everybody else is scared to. We're going to teach you attraction marketing and how to dominate any online business. And again, if you join with me, we have the best team, we have the best bonuses, and I'll plug you into Simple Freedom Warriors training site on how to do exactly this and how to dominate any company and how to build a clone army of duplication. See, duplication is the hardest thing. Making money is hard, but duplication is even harder, okay? You want everybody doing what you do, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of this, right? Oh, I already showed you the videos, so, oh, yes, that's it. So I'm going to load this in YouTube, okay? Now I'll pause it.